Okay, so I have all the components of the test. So let's get started with this Abbott Labs COVID-19 antigen self-test, home test. Español, instructions in Español, instructions in English. All right, already washed my hands. Take the test out. Remove test card from pouch. Make sure blue control line result. Let's see, blue control line is there. Okay. Open this thing up. Make sure we're not. Hopefully, I didn't touch it. And let's before we. Okay. Cool. Different. Okay. All right. All right. So the adhesive is here. Do not touch the test strip. All right. So now this dropper. Got to remove the dropper. Got to remove the dropper cap. Got to put 6 drops in. Looks like at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got 6 drops there. All right, open the swab package. Okay. Cool. They make fun of me because I can never peel this thing right. But see if I can get it this time. I know I don't have the prettiest hands. I'm a grown man. All right, well, see how this is gonna go. We're just gonna rip this off. I can never get this thing right. Make sure I'm not touching this tip. Oh, I'm supposed to peel it from here. I always make that mistake, but actually supposed to peel it from this side. But it's all good. I didn't touch the tip. Swab both nostrils carefully as shown. Insert the entire soft tip of the swab into a nostril, usually half to 3/4 of an inch. You do not need to go deeper. Using medium pressure, rub the swab against all of the inside walls of your nostrils. Make at least 5 big circles. Do not spin the swab. Each nostril must be swabbed for about 15 seconds. So. Yeah, I don't want to see me swabbing my nostrils. About 15 minutes, let me work the other side. Okay. That tickles. Using the same swab, repeat. Step 5, for your other nostril, insert the swab tip into the bottom hole. So, should be able to see this, but I'm going to insert the swab tip into the bottom hole. Firmly push the swab tip from the bottom hole until it is visible in the top hole. So, okay. Do not remove the swab from the card. Turn the swab to the right 3 times to mix with the drops. That's more than 3. Leave the swab in the card for the remainder of the test. False negatives may result. False negatives. False negative results can occur if swab is not turned. Peel adhesive liner off. Be careful not to touch other part of the card. Okay. There's adhesive liners on this side. Okay. Close left side of the card over the swab. Press firmly on the 2 lines on the right edge of the card seal. So, and these 2 lines over here, press firmly. Keep card face up on the table. All right, wait 15 minutes. Read the results at 15 minutes. Do not read the results before 15 minutes or after 30 minutes. Okay, so 15-minute starts now. So about 7:15, we'll be back.